Guys, this is Crypto Airdropper. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we'll be talking about Binance. Basically I'll be showing you guys how you can know when the next coin will pump on Binance. Okay, and once you do that, how you can invest in it so that once it pumps you'll be able to take some profit. As you all know, the market currently is in red. As you can see, all the markets are currently, basically most of the markets are currently in red right now, as you can see. However, despite that, you can see as you can despite despite the decrease in the market price of most tokens, you can see that this specific tokens are just continue to increase in price. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can detect some of these tokens beforehand so that you'll be able to invest in them, so that when they start pumping you'll be able to make some profit. Now take for example this token SYS. Okay, so let's just say for example you detected beforehand that this token will increase by almost 8% and you invested maybe at this point here. Okay, maybe you got that and you invested before it started pumping. That's when it was at about $0.28 and now it's at $0.315. So obviously you'll have made some profit. Okay, so just stick with me to the end of this video so that you'll not miss out on anything important. But before we get into that, I'd like you guys to know that this video is basically for educational purposes only, and it's based on my own opinion. Okay, so as we all know, cryptocurrency trading is very risky. So if you want to invest in this in cryptocurrency, or you want to trade cryptocurrency, make sure you do your own research first and always invest what you can risk losing, only what you can risk losing. Okay guys, so let's get into the video proper. So the website I'll be using for this is called CoinGecko. Okay, so as you can see, this is CoinGecko, and you can reach this website by going to coingecko.com. So once you're on coingecko.com, what you have to do is you go to the top left hand corner, you click on these three lines. Once you click on it, you scroll to where it says exchanges, you click on exchanges, then you click on spots. Once you click on spots, normally you will be able to see Binance as number one. Okay, because as we all know, Binance is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, and as you can see, it has a trust score of about 10, which makes it very very legit. So what you do is you click on Binance. So Binance has listed over 300 coins and has about 1234 pairs. Okay, so these are basically the tokens on Binance currently, as you can see. So the trick here is, once you're here, what you do is you try to look out for tokens that are like that the volume, that's their volume, their trade volume starts to increase significantly. Like just basically out of nowhere the volume starts to increase. That's the volume percentage, and 24-hour volume starts to increase. This is basically because a lot of people, a lot of traders, investors have started trading that token. And why would anybody need to trade the token? It's basically maybe because there's a news they heard about the token that maybe most people don't know about. So once you start seeing that move, okay, once you start seeing that increase in the trading volume, that's a sign that this token might actually undergo a pump. Okay, so that's the trick behind this. You can see these are all the tokens here. These are basically all the tokens. As you can see, they have a lot of tokens here. Okay, so this is it. As you can see, there are a lot of tokens here. So what I'm talking about is, now let's say for example, just let's look at something. So these are the percentages. As you know, Bitcoin is number one, Ethereum, then Solana, then there's Avalanche. Okay, so as you can see, Avalanche is currently having a rise in price. Then there's BUSD, then there's BTC to BUSD, then there's Cosmos. Then just scroll down and see so as you can see, these are this 0.98%. Then there's OMG, there's Near, there's Luna, there's Gala. So a lot of these tokens seem to have some potential now. So this is Gala. Let's say Gala, for example. So as you can see, look, check the spread. Spread for Gala was 0.1%. The price is still low. Then carry price. Then it says 1.43% now. So once you detect a token like this, let's use Gala as an example. So maybe you came to this site, you went through and you're able to see a coin that seems to have some potential. So always make sure before you invest in the token, do some more research. Okay, do some more research so that you have enough reason to invest on that token. So let's say Gala, for example. Now if you go back to our Binance, on our Binance, let's try to search for the Gala pair. Okay, Gala, it says as you can see, okay, here Gala to BUSD, Gala to Tether. But let's search. You can see Gala to Tether. Currently it's correcting in price. However, once you look at this, you will be able to see that currently it's dipping. However, it had a sufficient increase in price of recent, as you can see, because it rose from about $0.02 to about $0.146 before it now corrected itself to where it is right now. However, since according to that chart, there's a high probability that this token will still pump back up. Okay, so this is basically the greatest time, the best time you could enter this token because of the dip. Because one secret to cryptocurrency is never ever enter a coin when it's pumping. Okay, the best time to enter a coin is when it's dipping, like now. Okay, and as you can see, if you notice, the price is increasing little by little, because when we came here it was at minus 12 point something percent, but now it's at minus 11.7%. so which shows that the price is increasing bit by bit. Okay, so this is just an example. Okay, so you can do your own research about it before you actually invest in Gala. So now let's say you've decided to actually, let's say as you can see, this is what I'm talking about. So now look at the 15 minutes chart. As you can see, it went as high as this, then before it now started dipping. Okay, as you can see, when this high, it started dipping to this point. Now as you can see, now it's undergoing, according to this chart, it's about to undergo a pump, that it's about to see a rise in price. Okay, so that's what I mean by this. Okay, so as you can see, now it's about to undergo a rise in price. So if we're lucky, after some research, and we actually enter this token at this price, this token might go to this position before it now goes back down, if we are lucky, and by then we will have made some profit. Okay, so now let's say we decide to actually invest in this token. What we'll have to do is you click on where it is buy. Once you're here, you click on buy. Once you click on buy, as you can see, this is the Gala. Okay, and when you click on buy, make sure it's at a limit. Okay, you select limit. So this is the price you're buying at, and you put the amount of Gala you want to buy depending on your balance. Okay, so let's say I want to buy maybe 10, okay, or maybe 100, But no, make sure, just note that the minimum purchase limit on Binance is $10. Okay, so you need to buy at least $10 worth of any token in USDT for your transaction to actually be processed on Binance. What I mean is, let's say for example, I decide to buy like 5 USDT, so it won't be processed because it's not up to 10. So the minimum, as you can see, so this is the error you'll be getting. The total amount I'm buying must be greater than 10 USDT. So once you do that, it will make the purchase. As you can see, yeah, all of us can see that the price is increasing bit by bit. It was the 1.0.105 before, and now it's at 0.106, which shows that price is increasing, and it has 1.0107 now. Okay, so let's say we enter this token, then we'll have been in a little profit by now. That's when if to say we enter it was 0.105, now it's 0.107, we will be in profit right now. So that's what I'm talking about. Okay, basically that's how you know when a token is about to pump on Binance. Okay, guys, so and look at Atom too. Okay, as you can see, Atom is also pumping right now, and if you come here and check, you see that it's over 8, and look at it, it's currently of recent seeing an increase of about 2.16%, and there's every probability that it might even go higher than this. So that's what I'm talking about. Okay, so I think with this much, I think brings us to the end of the video for today. So a piece of advice, a word of advice, okay, when you're trading cryptocurrency, always make sure you don't trade with emotions. Okay, take emotions out of it, and never be too greedy when you're trading cryptocurrency, so that you will not be liquidated of all your funds. Okay, make sure you always trade the crypto space without any emotions. Okay, guys, so I think basically with this brings us to the end of this video. So if you got some value from this video, please hit that subscribe button and hit the like button to drop a like for this video. And if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, or maybe you've been watching my videos because you like them but you've not subscribed, do me a favor right now and hit that subscribe button, because that will actually help a lot. Okay, guys, so and don't forget to join my Telegram channel too, where I usually post more updates than I usually do on my YouTube. Okay, there I post updates about cryptocurrency mining, about airdrops, and about ways you can basically make money from the cryptocurrency space with ease. Okay, so you can get the link to the Telegram channel on the description of this video. Once you're there, you'll be able to get more information on the Telegram channel, and you can be able to get in touch with me through there. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.